What's up, Connor?
Just chilling.
Just chilling. Hey, can you not move around?
Hi, Ivy.
Hi. No, stop. What? Tell me about your daddy. My daddy is rad. What else?
Awesome.
Awesome. Say, my daddy is awesome. Stop. My daddy is rad. Wait, stop. There.
You're crying.
There's Connor right down there, but
I'm Daddy.
you don't get how this works.
Oh, you call his jacket?
Say hi, Connor. What's up, Connor? Just chilling.
What's up, Mommy?
Just chilling.
Hi. Hi.
You gotta look right here.
I'm kind of sleepy.
Is Connor sleepy?
It's Kaya.
Okay, shot.
Really? Are you done?
Hey, Connor, what are you doing? What's up? What's up, Connor?
What's up?
What's up, Connor? Nothing, huh?
Wanna call Mitchell?
Okay.